Shenzhen Shengdian Electronic Equipment Company is an SMT equipment manufacturer, integrating research and development, production, sales, and after-sales service. The company is headquartered in Guangdong, China, and mainly produce and sell reflow oven, loader and unloader, semi-automatic solder paste printer, translation shuttle conveyor, PCB conveyor, PCB buffer, NGOK unloader, wave soldering machine, and etc. There are a number of agent partners at home and abroad. The equipment is exported to Russia, the United States, Europe, Brazil, Argentina, and other countries and regions. Welcome to Shengdian SMT.